Alright everyone, good morning. Today is Thursday, December 26th, 2024 at 09:38. And Merry post-Christmas to everybody. I hope everybody had a very, very great Christmas yesterday. Today we are back to severe weather outlooks. Today we have a slight risk that extends from Texas into Louisiana, even up into a little bit of Arkansas, and just a teeny tiny bit of southeastern Oklahoma has a slight risk. We do have a marginal risk surrounding. We do have marginal risk extending from Texas into Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana. Not even in Mississippi. Excuse me. Yeah, look at that. Even extends east in Mississippi. So, anyway, our cities for today involve Houston, Austin, Garland, Shreveport, and Pasadena under a slight, and Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Baton Rouge under a marginal. So let's see what we have for today's tornado risk. We've got a 5% of tornadoes today from Texas into Louisiana into Arkansas. We do have this 2% that's surrounding it for Texas, up in a little bit of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. So please be mindful of the tornado threat today. We have Houston, Shreveport, Pasadena, Beaumont, and Tyler having a 5%, and Austin, Baton Rouge, Waco, Lafayette, and Round Rock having a 2%. So I definitely would say, if you're in the 5% area, you might see a brief EF1. Actually, you could see a good chance of an EF1. A brief EF2 tornado is possible, though, so please be mindful of that. In the green 2% area, you could just see a brief EF1 if the tornado does become strong enough. Today, our damaging wind risk today, we have a 15% across parts of Texas, Louisiana, and parts of Arkansas. Just a teeny tiny bit of southeastern Oklahoma. We also do have a 5% surrounding for Texas, a bit of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. So, yes. Our cities for today include Houston, Shreveport, Pasadena, Beaumont, and Tyler having a 15%, and Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, Arlington, and Plano having a 5% wind threat. So I would definitely say if you're in a 15% wind threat, you might see damaging winds of 60 to 75 miles per hour possible. And 5% you could just see damaging winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour possible. So please be mindful of that. Today's hail risk, we've got a 15% hail risk mainly across Texas, but a little bit of it goes into western Louisiana. We have this 5% here that goes from Texas and southeastern Oklahoma, south to southwestern Arkansas, and more into central Louisiana here for the 5% wind risk. So this would mean we have Houston, Austin, Garland, Shreveport, and Pasadena having a 15%, and we have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Irving having a 5%. So I definitely would say the 15% you could see hailstones of 1 to 3 inches possible, so please be mindful of those sizes. That is not out of the question. And 5% you could see just 1 to 2 inch hail possible. So just make sure you're always weather aware today of no matter what happens. Any of these risks could happen for any areas today. Our summary for today says, scattered severe thunderstorms capable of all hazards are possible this afternoon and evening for the southern plains, eastward into the Arklatex and lower Mississippi Valley. So anyway, please be extra careful with today's outlook. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk, damaging wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe. And I will see you in the next video, which evidently I would say it's tomorrow because we have another slight that extends a little bit east. So I will see you in tomorrow's outlook. For now, have a great day, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow unless another update occurs. So, yeah. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay weather aware and stay safe.